Good morning, children. Hope you all are keeping good health. Now, in the previous class, we learned about points, line segment, line and ray. Today we will learn how to draw and measure a line segment. We will also learn about the plane figures, that is square, rectangle, triangle and circle, and find out more about its sides, vertices, diagonals and the number of line segment each one is made of. So let us begin. Measuring a line segment. To measure the length of the line segment AB, we place a ruler along the segment. Point A should coincide with the 0 mark of the scale. Now adjust the 0 at point A and then read the mark on ruler at point B. So we can see that the scale reading shows 8 centimeter. That means the line segment AB is equal to 8 centimeter. So this is how we measure a line segment. Now we will learn how to draw a line segment. Suppose we have to draw a line segment of length 6 centimeter. So first we place the ruler on a plain paper. Mark 2 points A and B. Now remember, point A should coincide with the 0 mark of the scale. Now point B should be marked at 6 centimeter on the scale. Now pressing the ruler evenly, join the 2 points A and B with a pencil. In order to find out whether 2 line segments are equal or not, what should we do? So there is a line segment AB and CD. So first, take a compass, fix a pencil in it. Place the tip of the compass at one end and pencil on the other. So here, one end of the compass is at point A and the tip of the pencil is at point B. Now, without changing the length, place the tip of the compass on one point of the other line segment, that is point C. Now you see that the pencil touches the point D. So when the pencil reaches exactly the other point, it shows that line segment AB and CD are equal. Now we come to the exercises. In order to measure the given line segment using a ruler, let us see what is the procedure. Here it is given the line segment AB. Now how do we measure its length? For that, first we need a scale. Place the scale in such a way that the 0 mark of the scale coincides with point A. Let us see at which number on the scale does point B lie. Point B is at 7 centimeter. So the length of the line segment AB is equal to 7 centimeter. Let's see another example. This is a line segment EF. Now again we place a ruler in such a way so that point E lies on 0 mark of the scale. And then let us mark the number where point F reaches. It lies on 4 centimeter of the scale. So line segment EF is equal to 4 centimeters. Next one. Now here, first we place the ruler and see that point C coincides with the 0 mark of the scale or not. So here it does. And let us mark the place where the other end of the line segment reaches. It lies on 9 centimeters of the scale. So we can say the line segment CD is equal to 9 centimeters. Now the next one. Here, first we check that point P lies on 0 mark of the scale or not. Yes, it does. And point Q, it lies on 6 centimeters of the scale. So, here, line segment PQ is equal to 6 centimeters. I hope it is clear, children. Now, we will learn to draw the line segments. So, first we are going to draw a line segment of 5 centimeters. Take your ruler. Place it on the paper. Mark point A at the 0 mark of the scale. Since we have to draw a line of 5 centimeters, so mark another point B at 5 centimeters on the scale. Now join both the points. So we get a line segment AB which measures 5 centimeters. Let us go to the next sum. Again, we have to draw a line segment which is 7 centimeters long. So again, place the ruler on the paper. Mark a point A at the 0 mark of the scale. Now we have to draw a line of 7 centimeters. So mark another point B at 7 centimeters on the scale and join point A to B. So we get a line segment AB measuring 7 centimeters. Find which of the following line segments are equal. So we take a compass, we fix a pencil in it. You know how to do it. Now place the tip of the compass at one end, that is at point P, and the pencil on the other, that is at point Q. Now be careful, without changing the length, place the tip of the compass on one point of the other line segment, and that point is R. Now you see, this pencil goes beyond the other point of the second line segment. You can see it is far away from the point S. So these two line segments are not equal. They are unequal. Now, drawing a line of equal length on paper. So, to draw a line segment of equal length, we first need to measure the given line segment. Here the line segment is AB. So, place the scale with 0 mark of the scale coinciding with point A and see where does point B reach? It reaches 5 centimeters on the scale. Now, place the scale below and mark a point at the 0 mark of the scale and another point at 5 centimeters of the scale. Name the points C and D. Join the points CD. So now we get a line segment CD measuring 5 centimeters. So both the line segments are equal in length. Now we are going to learn about the plane figures. What is a plane figure? A figure that we draw on a sheet of paper or a plane surface is called a plane figure. So we have rectangle, square, triangle and circle. All these can be drawn on a paper. I hope you must have drawn sometimes or the other a rectangle, square, triangle or circle. If not, let's do now. Now, so first we'll know more about a rectangle. Here rectangle ABCD has 4 vertices. Vertices means corners. They are A, B, C and D. These are the vertices of the rectangle and they are 4 in number. Now let us know about the sides. The rectangle has 4 corners, means 4 vertices. So it definitely must have 4 sides also. Here the 4 sides are AB, BC, CD and DA. Now diagonals. What are diagonals? The line segment which joins the opposite vertices. That is, A and C are the opposite vertices. B and D are the opposite vertices. So here we have 2 diagonals, that is AC and BD. One important thing you should know about a rectangle is the opposite sides are equal. That is, AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. Next is a square. So here, square PQRS has 4 vertices. 4 vertices means 4 corners and they are P, Q, R, S. Sides, again there are 4 sides. They are PQ, QR, RS, SP. Diagonals, there are 2 diagonals and remember children, here the 2 diagonals are PR and QS. In a square, all the 4 sides are equal. That means PQ is equal to QR, QR is equal to RS and RS is equal to SP. And SQ and PR, that are the diagonals, they are also equal. A triangle. So here the triangle XYZ has 3 vertices or corners and they are X, Y and Z. How many sides does it have? 3. They are XY, YZ and ZX. Now, one thing you should remember, that the sides of a triangle, they may be equal or may not be equal. And finally, we come to a circle. Now, a circle has no vertices. You can very well see in the figure. It has no vertices, that is no corners and no sides. It is a closed figure without corners or sides. So, hope it is clear to you. If not, watch the video again and then do the assignments given. Thank you, dear children.